In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn an image in Prezi quickly and easily. If you're building a presentation and one of your pictures is angled the wrong way, or you just want to adjust the design for a cleaner layout, this simple trick will save you time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Prezi and select the presentation you want to edit. This is important because you need to be inside the correct project before you can make any changes. Once the presentation opens, look through your slides and find the one that contains the picture you want to rotate. Now zoom into that slide. Prezi works a little differently from traditional presentation software, so zooming in helps you focus on the exact object you want to edit. Use your mouse or trackpad to move closer to the slide until the image is large enough to work with clearly. Once you can see the picture properly, click on the image to select it. You should notice selection handles around the object. Now move your cursor toward any edge of the image. When you get close enough, a curved arrow will appear. That curved arrow is the rotation control, and that's what you'll use to turn the image. All you have to do now is click and hold on the curved arrow, then drag your mouse to rotate the image in the direction you want. You can turn it slightly for a small adjustment, or rotate it more dramatically if you want a different angle. Release the mouse once the image looks right. If the image still doesn't look quite perfect, you can click it again and make another small adjustment until it matches the layout of your slide. This is a great way to make your presentation look more polished and visually balanced. And that's it. You now know how to turn an image in Prezi. It's a simple process once you know where to look. Open the presentation, zoom into the slide, select the image, find the curved arrow, and drag to rotate. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.